couple of weeks ago, we posted a video talking about diagnostic. Tons of you guys wanted to talk about your little plug-in scan tool that's going to tell you exactly what the issue is and why it's a sham to pay us to figure it out. I got a story that I'm going to go back on here, kind of explain to you guys the importance of diagnostic and why we always do it. We had a customer come in when I was about 2 or 3 years into the industry with an older F250 that had a cylinder misfire. He didn't want to pay diagnostic, didn't want us to look at it, was certain he knew exactly what was wrong with it. Upon telling him that we were going to diagnose it before performing any repairs, he decided he was going to take it. Didn't see him for about 2 to 3 months, and he finally brought the truck back in and said, "It's still missing. I can't figure it out." We went down the parts list of everything he had done trying to correct this misfire: spark plugs, ignition coils, fuel injectors. He even put a catalytic converter and fuel pump in it, and the misfire was still there. He agreed to diagnostic the second time around. We pulled his truck in the shop, ran a compression test, and found that the engine had low compression on cylinder 3. Right off the bat, we would have figured that out the first time, not only saving him the time from having to change all of those parts, but saving him the money that he spent on them to have an issue not be corrected.